welcome back to my channel. So today I have another wig for you guys, and this wig is from Hairvivi.com. And this wig might be a game changer, you guys. I don't want to eat my words because I haven't tried it yet, but from what I'm looking at, this wig seems to have a new updated version of the elastic removable adjustable band. Elastic removable adjustable band, is that what it's called? Yeah, I think that's what it's called. But this one is not what you're normally used to. It's not the typical one that most companies use now, where they have the upgraded one that has like the bra clamps where you can hook it in and take it out. This one has something like that, but it is, in my opinion, better from the idea that I'm looking at right now. And I haven't tried it yet. I'll let y'all know once I get it on if it is better or not. But the idea and the concept behind it is freaking brilliant. So I don't know about you guys, but if you've ever struggled with the elastic bands that the companies put in, because obviously they don't know everyone's head shape, they don't know where everyone's ears are, so they kind of just guess and put it where they think it should go. But a lot of times I don't end up using the elastic band because it's just in the wrong spot. Like sometimes it's too far up, or it's too far back, or it's too high up, or it's like chilling on top of my ear, and it's just like, I'd rather just not deal with it and just take it out. So luckily they are removable. But this one, y'all, this one right here has the elastic band inside, but this one has the strap that moves like this. So it goes like this, and you can tighten it or loosen it by doing it like that. So it looks like that, and it just, that's how you adjust it. And then the inside, what makes it so special, because I've seen a company with a strap like this, it just wasn't that thick. But what makes it even better, in my opinion, is now you can move it. So this is what sits right here. And now if it's too low or too high or too far back, you just go ahead and you slide that out like that. And then you have this hook right here, and you can pick one of these slots that you slide it in. So you just pick it and move it where you want it. Like, how smart is that? Like, what? So we're gonna see if it's gonna work, y'all. So I have all the details and everything, direct links, coupon codes, everything that I'm using down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. But it is, I believe this is a body wave unit, and I did get it pre-styled. So it came with the twisties in the front, and then the two little antennas right here, which is super cute right now. So it came with that, and then also, you know, their wigs have the fake scalp in the inside. So we're gonna see. I haven't done anything to this wig. I literally just took it out of the box. I want to try it on with the lace, and then I'm gonna take it off and cut the lace and put it back on. So I'm gonna put it on, I'm gonna put on the last one, this one right here, and see if that's where I need it or if I should move it. That felt really good. I think that's where it goes. This is cute, y'all. I think that's where I need it, y'all. It's kind of bending my ear a little bit. That's because I need to cut this. But other than that, it looks like it's fitting really well. Okay, so I'm gonna remove it to cut the lace, because y'all know I don't cut it on my head. And then we'll put it back on. It's crazy how good this looks, y'all, without me like literally doing anything to it. Like, I'll have to tack the sides down a bit because they are kind of floating. But it's not like, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. But this is what it looks like. And those ear tabs, okay, I'm gonna tighten it a bit and see if I can get away with being completely glueless, because I didn't have the back tightened all the way. So I'm just gonna tighten it just a little bit and see if it'll help keep the sides down. Okay. So that tightening the back does make it more snug, but it pulls it back. So now like my hair, oops, now my hairline is showing because it pulled it back, something like that, because I tightened the strap. But it feels good, it feels on.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mine. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind.
So now that I have the unit on, I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of my foundation and just go along like the perimeter, not really in the part because it has the fake scalp in it, so it's not really like too light or anything. I'm just going to go along the edges because the lace is too dark.
Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. I don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. Got a lot of. At the crack of dawn, in the dark of night, what I got to do? Got to do. I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Squall. Turn the party wet, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Oh, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. I don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my place. Shawty, don't play that game.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation.
Okay, so I am all done, and I ended up just pinning it up on the side, like kind of just twisting it and pinning both sides up with bobby pins. And you guys seen that I did end up taking the sides down with a little bit of freeze spray. I think that if I didn't pull it up, like if I just wanted to leave the hair down, I think that it would have been totally fine, especially with the new band. But because I wanted to pull it up and because I wanted to go for kind of that melted look, and when you don't tack it down, you don't really get that melted look, I did go ahead and tack down the sides, you guys, and do it like this. But with it down, you guys seeing that you couldn't really see the sides. So if you didn't want to tack the sides down, then you totally didn't have to. And it might fit you guys different than it did fit me, because I put it on the last notch you guys seen, and then when I made the band a little bit smaller, you guys seen that it did pull it back right here. But when I loosened it up, it kind of left it loose right here, but everywhere else was tight. And this is like the main part, especially if you're doing the middle part. So I think that's perfect if you have a middle part and you just let the sides do whatever they want to do. I do that all the time, but the band just makes it grip a little bit better. But
looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. But what about it?
okay, so now I'm all done. I ended up taking out the twisties just so we can get an idea of what it looks like without it. And it's still super cute, still super duper flat. But yeah, now I'm done with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.